Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dari Sifak. This time I just want a storytelling. Okay. Last year, Dennis and his father went on vacation to the island of Bali. There, they rented a very luxurious hotel and was close to the beach. From their room, they could directly see the white and the beautiful beach. On the island of Bali, they enjoy the beauty of the beach, which is very charming. Dennis is very happy to go on vacation with him. They also visited other places in Bali, such as Dewata Island, Balinese souvenir shops, temples, and many other they visited. Okay, that's all what I can say. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone, meet again. I'm Lubna, I'm from class D. So in this video I will tell you about a short story entitled Friends. Bunny Rabbit lived in the forest. He had many friends. He was proud of his friends. One day, Bunny Rabbit heard the loud barking of the wild ducks. He was very scared. He decided to ask for help. He quickly went to his friend Deer. He said, "Dear friend, some wild ducks are chasing me. Can you chase them away with your sharp antlers?" Deer said, "That's right, I can, but now I'm busy. Why don't you ask Bear for help?" Bunny Rabbit ran to the bear. "My dear friend, you are very strong. Please help me. Some wild ducks are after me. Please chase them away," he requested the bear. Bear replied, "I'm sorry. I'm hungry and tired. I need to find some food. Please ask the monkey for help." Poor Benny went to the monkey elephant, goat, and all of his friends. Bunny felt sad that nobody was ready to help him. He understood that he has to think of a way out. He hid under a bush. He lay still. The wild ducks went their way. Okay, that was a short story about friends. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Maulidina, Stambuk A231200034. I will tell you about the wise man. People have been coming to the wise man, complaining about the same problems every time. One day, he told them a joke and everyone roared in laughter. After a couple of minutes, he told them the same joke, and only a few of them smiled. When he told the same joke for the third time, no one laughed anymore. The wise man smiled and said, "You can laugh at the same joke over and over. So why are you always crying about the same problems?" Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Nigustia Isandiari. I will tell you about a story that has pronoun in it. Once, a rabbit saw a turtle walking slowly with a heavy shell on his back. The rabbit was very proud of himself and he asked the turtle, "Shall we have a race?" The turtle agreed. They start the running race. The rabbit ran very fast, but the turtle runs very slowly. The proud rabbit thinks that he already won, so he rests under a tree and soon slept off. But the turtle king walked slowly and steadily until he finally reached the goal. At last, the turtle won the race. Thanks for your attention and see you.
Hello guys, my name is Kadek Radika. You can call me Radika. Yesterday afternoon, I was with Sumi and Benny. We will play sepak takraw. Sepak takraw is our hobby since children. Me and him play in the field which is his, and this takraw ball is our. We ask it together. After playing, we plan to take a bath in the river to clean the body. And after that, we went home. Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Introduce, my name is Regina Cynthia, stem A2312005. I will tell about 4 friends. There are 4 friends who are good friends, namely Lina, Santi, Doni, and Rian. One day, the 4 friends planned to go sailing the next day at 16 o'clock. And they planned together at Lina's house. On the next day, when the clock showed 16 o'clock, Santi and Rian had arrived at Lina's house, but Doni had no arrived. They waited for Doni. And Rian said, I called him before leaving, and Doni also saw that he would come soon. Lina also said we should wait for Doni first. Not long after Doni arrived, passing his bakery, Doni also told him that in the middle of the trip, his bakery tire went flat, so Doni had to pass. So Doni couldn't use his bakery. He was picked up by Rian and they were sailing happily. That's all I can describe. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. My name is Iketut Beni Rusmawan. You can call me Benny. Now I am with Radika. We will play online game. Our online game is Mobile Legend. About akun, his akun name is Hellboy, and my akun name is Berus. And this phone is his. We use it together. After this, we plan to buy chips for snack while playing games. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Vila Fajrila from class B. The 50 project about stories containing pronouns. 2 days ago, Faris went to his friend's house, Ali. He wanted to study English together with him. Before heading to Ali's house, he visited Doni first because Faris wanted Doni to accompany him to study with Ali. Doni's house isn't far from Faris' house. It was only several kilometers away. From Doni's house, they rode a motorbike to Ali's house. They brought their English books with them as well as some snacks. Faris and Doni arrived at Ali's house several minutes later. There, they started to do their meals homework together. Okay guys, that's a little story from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Meet me again, Mardiana Duanisa from class B. Okay, in this video I want to tell you about my sister and show the pronoun to fulfill the 5 project assignment given. Okay, I have an older sister. My sister name is Nurul and she 25 years old. I like her because she is very kind and smart. She always helps me to do my homework and teaches me to play badminton. She is a nurse. She is married and has a daughter and has one daughter. Okay, from the story about my sister above, I have 5 pronouns. The first, she 20 years old. The second, I like her because she is very kind and smart. The third, and teaches me to play badminton. The fourth, she is a nurse. And the 5, she is married and has one daughter. Okay, I think that's my 5 project assignment. Thanks and see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello friends, my name is Nana Mardiana. Now I want to tell the story of Kancil and friends who contain a pronoun. On beautiful morning, Kancil decided to fish in the certain river. On the way, he met his friend Swain, who stopped him for a chat. When Swain heard that Kancil wanted to go fishing, he asked whatever he could join him. Kancil didn't object. Swain promised to help him with the work. The two of them went on together and soon they met tiger and elephant. When they heard that Kancil and Swain were going to the river, they decided to go along too, and so the 4 animals went together to the river to fish. I think that's all. Bye-bye!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Fajar Mukarabin. My ID number 82312087. Today I want to make a video about pronoun. Last Thursday, Nas went to his friend's house, Ali. He wanted to study English together with him. Before heading to Ali's house, he visited Donnie first because Nas wanted Donnie to accompany him to study with Ali. Donnie's house isn't far from Nas' house. It was only several kilometers away from Donnie's house. They rode a motorcycle to Ali's house. They brought their English book with them as well as some snacks. Nas and Donnie arrived at Ali's house several minutes later. There they started to their homework together. Meanwhile, Ali's mother has prepared some delicious cake for them. She also prepared coffee and tea. Surprisingly, she also helped them in answering the question. Turned out, she is an English teacher in another school. They consult some difficult questions to her. She was really helpful in assisting them doing the homework. After finishing the homework, they play some mobile games. Finish. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. I will now tell you a short story. A pair of brother and sister live in a small house. They are Bobby and Dina. Bobby is Dina's older brother. He loves his sister very much. Although they live together in a small house, they are very happy. Thanks for listening to my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Introduce, my name is Hairunisa. I'm a student of mathematics education at Tadulak University. Well, in this video, I will tell a story about an old man lived in the village. An old man lived in the village. He was one of the most unfortunate people in the world. The whole village was tired of him. He was always gloomy. He constantly complained and was always in the bad mood. The longer he lived, the more bitter he was becoming and the more poisonous were his words. People avoided him because his misfortune became contagious. It was even unnatural and insulting to be happy next to him. He characterized the feeling of unhappiness in others. But one day, when he turned 80 years old, an incredible thing happened. Instantly, everyone has started hearing the rumor that the old man he become happy. He doesn't complain about anything anymore. Always smiles, and even his face is fresh hand up. The whole village gathered together. The village asked the old man about that happened. Okay, that's enough until here and see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ira Widya Stuti. My student ID number is A2312061. I want to storytelling continuously. Akbar once put a question to his court that left everyone puzzled. As they all tried to figure out the answer, Birbal walked in and asked what the matter was. They repeated the question to him. How many crows are there in the city? Birbal immediately smiled, went up to Akbar and announced that the answer to his question was 21,523. When asked how he knew the answer, Birbal replied, "Ask your men to count the number of crows. If there are more than the crows, relatives from outside the city are visiting them. If there are fewer, then the crows are visiting their relative outside the city." Pleased with the answer, Akbar present Birbal with a ruby and pearl chain. Moral of the story is having an explanation for your answer is just as important as having an answer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Dinda Iskasal Syabila. My stamp is 2312057. I will tell you about my cat. I have a cat. My cat's name is Mochi and she is 5 months old. I like him because he is very cute and clever. My cat has gray fur. He always sleeps with me and likes to play with me. Mochi also always throws his faces in the toilet hole. He is very smart. However, he does not like the heat of the sun because his hair is falling out. Mochi likes to sleep in a cool place. That's a short story about my cat. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Roshan Fikri, NIM A231200067. The goose with the golden egg. Once upon a man had the good fortune to have a goose which laid a golden egg every day. Lucky took her word. He soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. He imagined that if the bird must be able to lay golden eggs, its inside must be made of gold. And he thought that if they could get all that precious metal at once, he would get mighty rich very soon. So Herman decided to kill the bird. So he opened to cutting the gold goose and open goose. Here were shocked to find that his innards were like that of any other goat. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Kadikri Famelia. I'm class B. I have an older sister. Her name is Tevi Adnelia. She is now 23 years old. She is a grade of the Manado Status Polytechnic. Majoring is business management. I really admire him because she is a woman who is a loving, smart, and kid sister. Besides this, that she a hardworking and unyielding spirit and is humble to be a good brother to use. He is also a work partner for me. We usually do business together. We often fight just because of trivial things like fitting our shoes. Even though the child we are but daughter of our parents, but they never differentiate between us. Basically, we want to make them proud. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Putri Aisun. My register number is A2312059. On this occasion, I will tell briefly about my sister. Okay, I have a sister. Her name is Sasi Kirana. She is a diligent person. She does the assignment herself, but if she can't do it herself, she will tell me and ask to help her. Okay, I think that's all. A short story from me. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadila Isya. I'm from class B, and you can call me Fadila. Once upon a time, a man and his wife had the good fortune to have a goose which laid a golden egg every day. Like it so, they soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. They imagined that if the bird must be able to lay golden eggs, its inside must be made of gold. And they thought that if they could get all that precious metal at once, they would get mighty rich very soon. So the man and his wife decided to kill the bird. However, upon cutting the goose open, they were shocked to find that its innards were like that of any other goose. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Hello everyone. My name is Cindy Angelique Puspita, and today I will tell you about my activities on last Saturday. On Saturday, I went to the farm with my family. We went by our pickup. We went to pick chili in our farm. When I got there, I saw a lot of butterflies. They were very beautiful and colorful. The weather that day was very good, so it made me was so excited. After picking the chilies, my father continued to work. He picked basil to clean with my mother. My mother was very caring, so she didn't allow us to help her. When it turned to evening, we back home and took a shower and took a rest. That's the short story of my activity on last Saturday. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Sofi Wulandari. Well, in this project, I will tell you a short story about the ghost with the golden eggs. One day, a man and his wife had a ghost which laid a golden egg every day. Then, they think to getting rich fast enough with golden eggs from ghosts. They imagine that if the bird must be able to lay golden eggs, its insides must be made of gold. But, however, upon cutting the ghost open, they were shocked to find that its innards were like that of any other ghost. I think that's all. Thanks and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, good morning. My name is Ratna Dwi Octavia. You can call me Nana. I want a storytelling about the ghost with the golden eggs. Once upon a time, a man and his wife had the good fortune to have a ghost which laid a golden egg every day. Lucky though they were, they soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. They imagined that if the bird must be able to lay golden eggs, its inside must be made of gold, and they thought that if they could get out that precious metal at once, they will get rich very soon. So the man and his wife decide to kill the bird. However, upon cutting the goose open, they were shocked to find that its innards were like that of any other goose. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Lisa Rahmawati. I will tell you about stories that contain pronouns. In last December 2019, I and my family went to the farm in Balikpapan. It was a beautiful day. It was warm and sunny. I shared and played with all my cousins, uncles, and aunts. We played football and swam in the pool. Some people talked, others ate and took pictures. My mother cooked a barbecue and my aunt played the music. My family danced and others watched them. Everyone enjoyed the activities in the farm. I had a wonderful holiday. I was very happy. Thank you guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Nuratifa Kairani. In this project, we will take a story that has pronoun in it. This time, I will tell you about my daily life. Every day, around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I and Auntie were playing badminton. We will play it for about half an hour. After playing, we will get ready for Maghrib. After Isha, if there is no duty or work, me, my mother, auntie, and uncle, we will playing badminton. Play two people, and the rest will count the points. And after that, the loser will be replaced by someone else. That's all I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce, my name is Lala Suftiani. I am a student of mathematics education at Adulaco University. Well, in this video I will tell a story about an old man lived in the village. An old man lived in the village. He was one of the most unfortunate people in the world. The whole village was dread of him. He was always gloomy, constantly complaining, and was always in a bad mood. The longer he lived, the more ill he was becoming, and the more pensive were his words. People avoid him because his misfortune became contagious. It was even a natural and instinct to be happy next to him. He created the feeling of unhappiness in others. But one day, when he turned 8 years old, and instantly things happened. Instantly, everyone started hearing the rumor that the old man had become happy. He doesn't complain about anything anymore, always smile, and even his face is freshened up. The whole village gathered together. The villagers asked the old man about what happened. Okay, that's ending it until here, and see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Khalifa Zabriani. You can call me Liva. I'm a student of mathematics study program from class B at Tadulako University. Here, I want to tell you a little about the sweet little girl, Anya. Once upon a time, there was a sweet little girl named Anya. She lived with her father in a small house. Someday, her father went out from their house, but the next day, he hasn't went home. In the morning, there was a man who loved Anya in front of their house. He was looking for Anya, but Anya didn't go out because she went to looking for her father. That man was angry when he knew that Anya went to look for her father. How can he know it? Because he found Anya with her white horse, left the town, and broke a big bag. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Salama. I am from class B. Today I will tell you about a story that has session pronoun in it. Last Thursday, Nas went to his friend's house, Ali. he wanted to study together with him. Before heading to Ali's house, he visited Donnie first because Nas wanted Donnie to accompany him to study with Ali. Donnie's house isn't far from Nas' house. It was only several kilometers away. From Donnie's house, they rode a motorcycle to Ali's house. They bring their English book with them as well as some snack. Nas and Donnie arrived at Ali's house several minutes later. There they started to do their homework together. Meanwhile, Ali's mother has prepared some delicious cakes for them. She also prepared coffee and tea. Surprisingly, she also slipped them in answering the question. Turned out she is an English teacher in other school. They consulted some difficult questions to her. She was really helpful in assisting them doing to the homework. After finishing the homework, they played some mobile games. Okay, maybe that's from me. Don't forget to stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nurfat. I'm a math student at the University of Tadulako. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my sister. I have an older sister. My sister's name is Cindy Santika. You can call him Cindy. In December, he'll be 22 years old. He's also an obstetrics academic student at one of the Palu City universities. Well, she's be a midwife. I like him very much because he's kind, smart, and of course a little annoying. He always helped me and taught me things I didn't know, like my knowledge of computers or laptops, some medical techniques such as applying blood pressure and pressure, and much more. I was amazed and I was proud to have a sister like her. Well, that's the little story about my sister. Thanks for watching, and that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mega Astuti. My call me Mega. Let's go to House Ali. Last Tuesday, Nasa went to his friend House Ali. He wanted to study English together with him. Before head to Ali house, he visited Donnie Fit because Nasa wanted Donnie to accompany him to study with Ali. Donnie's house is far from Nasa house. It was only several kilometers away. From Donnie house, they rode a motorcycle to Ali house. They brought their English book with them as well as some snacks. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, this time I will complete some sentences that contain pronouns. Okay. I have an older sister. My sister's name is Sinta and she is 28 years old. I like her because she is very kind and smart. She always helps me to do homework and teaches me to play the piano. She is studying medicine at the best university in Indonesia now. She will be a doctor. I want to be like her when I grow up. Okay, thank you for your attention and please like, comment, and share and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello guys, we meet again with me, Nilia Stuti, with stem 823120054. This is the 5th project and well, I'm still excited to finish this project. The project is stem about pronouns, or in Indonesian, it is kata ganti. Okay, now I will tell you about my younger brother. I have a younger brother. My brother's name is Ikadek Adi Afrianto and he is 13 years old. There's a big age difference between him and me, about 6 years. I like him so much because he is my only sibling. We are like siblings in general. Sometimes we got along and sometimes we fight too. Our fight usually happen because trivial things. One which is because he stole my pen or he scribbled my notebook. But that doesn't make my love for him reset. We always fight and then forgive each other and love again. And well, now we are far from each other because I live in Palu City to continue my education to higher level, namely at Tadulako University, and he is at home with my parents. But we still communicate via handphone, and I miss him so much. Okay guys, I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention and see you on the next project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Fahmi Sahab from class B Mathematics Education Tadulako University. I am from Garut City. Want to tell a little how to be successful. My way to become a successful person is what 3B. These 3B are made by me as a life motto. The 3B are study, fight, force. That the less I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hitman Alam, but you can call me Alam. I'm from in class B. Okay, I have an older sister. My sister name is Lola, and she is 20 years old. I like her because she is very kind and smart. She always helps me to do my homework and teaches me to play the piano. She is studying medicine at the best university in Indonesia now. She will be a doctor. I want to be like her when I grow up. Okay, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.